Today, I'm presenting another 30 square meter cabin design that you can legally build without a building consent or a resource consent, even as a DIYer. If you look at the exemption 3A in Schedule 1 of the New Zealand Building Act, you'll find out that you're legally allowed to build a cabin between 10 and 30 square meter without a building consent or a resource consent. While this exemption is a fantastic opportunity, it's crucial to make sure that you meet all the specified conditions. If you aren't sure what these conditions are, I've made a couple of videos talking about them. And if you're still in doubt, please make sure to email your local city council and ask them about your specific requirements. Misinterpreting the rules can lead to an illegal setup, and as the property owner, you're responsible and liable for any building work on your property. Additionally, although you're allowed to handle both the design and construction yourself without having the LBP license, it is crucial to be competent. If you're not confident enough, please make sure to hire an experienced professional. But whether you're a DIYer taking on the challenge or a builder whose client has asked for an under 30 square meter cabin, starting with a fully compliant set of plans is important. Over the last few years, I've been designing detailed code compliance plans for up to 30 square meter cabins. They are designed to be straightforward for DIYers to follow and a helpful time saver for builders looking to get straight to work. These plan sets also come with a link to a YouTube video of step-by-step construction animation of the exact same cabin. Please keep in mind the animation is a simplified process of the construction and it doesn't have every single small detail that's in the plans. The actual plans are fully detailed, covering everything from timber sizes, nail spacing, bracing calculations, insulation compliance, and more. If you're interested in purchasing one of these plans, you can find the link to my TradeMe store in the description below. Now let's look at the construction animation of this cabin. I hope you enjoyed that animation. If you're ready to start building, you can purchase the full set of plans for this cabin along with several other designs on my TradeMe store. Just a quick note, I realized this designed manually. So if you click the link and there is no active listing, please come back in a few days and they'll be back on again. As always, thank you very much for watching and happy building.